Hi guys, so my name is Mr. Kelly for those of you guys who don't know me. I know I'll get a chance to meet many of you guys in class in the coming weeks, hopefully for some of you guys sooner rather than later. I wanted to take a quick minute to walk through how to enroll in the Mastering Biology class on Canvas or through the Pearson webpage. So as you can see on this screen, and let me make this a little bit larger so you can read it. As you can see on the screen, this is the assignment that's going to be due next Friday for all of you, so that's August 21st. And the website that you're going to need to go to once you get to this assignment is pearson.com/mastering. Once you get there, you're going to need to either create an account if you haven't already done so on Pearson. For some of you guys who've taken another Pearson course before, you probably already have an account. If you do already have an account, then you don't have to do the account creation portion, but you do still have to register or join the course. And so I'm going to walk you through how to do that. If you so once you get to the website, you're going to click on this PDF that's in this assignment. The PDF, I have it pulled up on my computer, looks like this. And the kind of nice thing about this is that it actually walks you through step by step for our specific course. So this is if you have not registered and created an account yet, it tells you how to do that. So you're going to be a student, obviously, and you're going to register using this course ID, okay, with the K. And then once you do that, you need to create your own username and password. Write that down just to make sure that you guys will have many different passwords throughout your time this year. If you haven't already gotten used to that, make sure you're keeping track of that in some way, shape, or form. Once you do that, you're going to select the access option that you want. In our case, I'm going to be giving you guys an access code that's going to be on the assignment, and you're going to use that access code. We purchased as a school access codes for 6 years worth of using this textbook. And so you're just going to use that access code that I give you. That's a class-wide access code. Then you should see AP Biology appear in your courses. All right. And for signing in, you're just going to use this technique. If you had already done this in some way, shape, or form, and you had temporary access, that usually lasts for only 14 days. So you will eventually need to you will need to join in using permanent access, using the access code that I give you. Now, to find the access code, I'm still waiting for Pearson to give it to me, but it will be appearing here in the next day or two, hopefully. That's their scheduled time to be able to get it back to me. The access code is going to be, you'll be asked to provide that once you join into the course. Like I said, you get 14 days if you get that trial period and you start with it. You can have access to Mastering Biology for those 14 days. But after those 14 days, you'll need the access code. And hopefully I will have that, like I said, in the next 2 days or so to give you. And I'll send out a message once I do. So that's the final step after you've registered in Pearson, after you have joined the course, and after you've provided the access code, then you'll be fully registered. So let me know if you have any questions. This is due for everyone on Friday, August 21st, whether you are in an A or a B day, just because the following week I want us to be ready to go and ready to move forward with the next steps of the course. Thanks, guys.